Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Webex meetings on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Webex app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, to join a meeting, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. From here, you can join the meeting. Enter the meeting link or number and your name if needed, then tap join. You will enter the meeting and see the host and other participants. To start your own meeting, tap start meeting. You can invite participants by sharing the meeting link or sending invitations directly from the app. Once in the meeting, you can mute or unmute your microphone by tapping the mic icon. Turn your camera on or off with the video icon. See participants by tapping the people icon. Chat with everyone or send private messages using the chat icon. If you want to share your screen, tap the three dot or options, then select share content or share screen. Follow the prompt to broadcast your screen to everyone in the meeting. When the meeting is over, tap leave meeting if you participate. If you are the host, tap in meeting to close it for everyone. And that's it. That's how you use Webex meetings on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.